in Jupiter's. It's like a big bright moon. Peppa, slow the pip ship down. I want to take a photo.
Not now, Ed. We've got a seagull on our tail. So strap in.
A seagull? Where?
There, closing in on Pip fast.
Wow, I've never seen a real one before.
Depth plunge, Pip, quick.
Say cheese for the camera.
Ed!
Yeah. The lights! What happened to the... doesn't look too happy, does he?
Today, Ed, we're going to look for the African penguin. Funny little things. A bird with birdie wings that can't fly. They swim.
Swimming birds?
Get your flippers and your snorkel. Pip, we're going up.
Hold on, Peppa. I'd better make sure it's safe.
The penguins, Ed, are over there.
Poppin' pancakes. Penguins by the dozen.
Oh, look at them, Ed. Building with sticks. Homes, Ed, for their families. In the sand, on the rocks, under bushes. Nests for their babies, all warm and...
How do I look, Peppa?
What are you doing?
Practicing penguin. See? Walking and talking like a penguin. I'm taking pictures of the penguins!
Ed, how many times have I told you? You're an Ed, all right? Not a penguin. Now follow me and be careful. Aren't they sweet?
Frying fish fingers. They're eating each other's necks.
It's called grooming, Ed.
Grooming? What's grooming?
Penguins clean one another with their beaks. They pick out all the dirt until they're spotless.
Not for me. No one's pecking me to pieces. I'll groom myself, thank you very much.
Wow, look, Ed. They're going hunting.
Where? Where?
There. Where'd you think? Penguins swim, remember?
Of course, I forgot. They're seabirds. No time for flying when they've got the whole ocean to explore.
Look at them go! Silvery blurs whizzing through the water, like little spaceships searching for fish and sardines.
Whoa! Snappy little things.
They don't stay under for long, just a quick dip in and out, then they're back up for air.
Wow! Like magic wizards flying underwater.
With black and white coats. Very smart, don't you think? Ahoy, Pip! Up you go!
Oh, he doesn't look too happy.
He's probably hungry. Penguins eat pilchards, but seals eat penguins. Did you know, Ed? Seagulls and seals are enemies of the penguins.
Look, there's the gull that chased us down earlier.
With a stolen penguin egg to eat. That could have been us, Ed. We're safe on the beach, though.
I know. We had a lucky escape. Look at them. Wagging their tails, grooming their wings, singing like donkeys.
Oh, Ed.
Bouncing bananas. It's so noisy. Peppa, look.
Aw, sweet. Mum and Dad feeding the kids.
But the kids have got their heads down their parents' throats.
Yep, the adults first chew the food, then give it to their babies to swallow.
Ugh.
And there's a mum with 2 eggs under her tongue.
Must be warm down there.
Like a soft, fluffy bed. And in 5.5 weeks, 2 chicks will hatch.
Hey, there's a young one.
Ah, precious. Isn't she gorgeous?
Hello there. My name's Ed. What's yours? Do you kids fancy a photo?
Easy, Ed. They're only babies. Why not ask one of the adult penguins? Soon, these two will learn to swim. They'll get bigger and molt, losing their baby feathers as their new ones grow through. And one day, they'll have kids of their own.
Excuse me, sir. I hope you don't mind me saying, but you look like a star in the making. You waddle around and I'll snap a few action shots. Not very interested, are they?
Well, Ed, this is their home. We're guests here and have to respect their space.
And now it's getting dark.
Which means it's time for us to go. They've been around here for hundreds and hundreds of years. And if the humans on this planet take care of them, they'll be around for hundreds of years to come.
What do you think? Your honest opinion.
Well, Ed, I'd have to say it's one of your best.
Aw, thanks. So, Pip, now you've seen the penguins, I think it's time we hung up our snorkels and head off in search of the next great